Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to sign into Element Messenger step by step. Signing in gives you access to your Matrix account, allowing you to send secure messages, join rooms, make voice and video calls, and sync your conversations across multiple devices. So let's get started. First, open the Element Messenger app on your computer or mobile device. If you prefer using a browser, you can also open the Element web app from the official website. Next, on the welcome screen, click or tap Sign In. You'll be asked to enter your Matrix account details. Type your username or Matrix ID, your password, and select the correct home server if it's not filled in automatically. After entering your credentials, click or tap the Sign In button. I mean, if your account uses additional security features, such as two-factor authentication or single sign-on provided by your organization, complete the required verification steps before continuing. Once you're signed in, Element Messenger will begin syncing your conversations, contacts, and joined rooms. Depending on the size of your account and your internet connection, the initial synchronization may take a few moments. Finally, review your notification settings and profile preferences, then send a test message to confirm that everything is working correctly across your devices. And that's it. You now know how to sign in to Element Messenger and securely access your Matrix account from any supported device. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next